Alright friends, so this video is going to be a quick announcement for today's live video. So as of everyone knows that it's a weekend and आज दोपहर Saturday में something around 2 to 2:30 के आसपास we gonna have a live video session on the YouTube. अब it's been so much long time कि हमने live video नहीं किया है, so that's why it was your public demand, it was viewers demand as well, and I am free today in the afternoon, so I thought let's have a live video. Okay, so be prepared with your questions, be ready for the live video. It's something around 2:30 के आसपास start हो जाएगा and it's just only for the short time duration. Okay, और at the end it will also depend कि आपका response कैसा है, कितने लोग join करते हैं. ठीक है, so as of now just be ready with your questions and definitely please join that live video because it's I can say कि last 2 second live video for the this year of admission season. Okay, so at the end again be ready with the questions. जो भी आपके सवाल है, जो भी आपके questions है कि जो comment में unanswered है, मैं answer नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, I will definitely try to answer in the live chat or in the live video. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's quick announcement. Okay, thank you, bye bye.